everybody. It's Tuesday. I was up in time getting ready to work. Oops, forgot something here. And yes, it is really foggy out. Where did I put them? Nope, put them over there. And yes, I got some work to pick up. That's it anyway. Got stores sitting at home. We're in the process of a lot of stuff still. But I was getting ready to. Well, first I'll show you what started me needing to drive this vehicle. Well, two things. Or three. This vehicle, clutch is not working in. This one, which is mine, is not safe to drive. Max, stay out of there. Because if you look, turn the screen on, right there, the wire's coming out. That thing doesn't run. It's having trouble with oil pressure and stuff in it. So, okay, so Mom needs the car. Ryan's got the truck. I'll drive this one. So, okay, hey, we have a backup vehicle, right? Wrong. I go to get in it this morning, and it won't start. So, yay, I have no vehicle. I can't get to work. Boy, this is frustrating. Every freaking vehicle we have here, none of them run. Our luck on vehicles right now is just insane. So, it's just... Oy. It's a frustrating start to the day. But yesterday, or part of yesterday, was... We are saying goodbye. Lighting is here stuff. But we are saying goodbye to... This was the blue that it originally was. This is light color. And I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but this is... Yeah, I think so. This is darker. This is the accent wall. The accent wall is done. And I got all the cut in on everything done. So all I got to do is go in and... roll it out. Probably gonna do that today since I'm stuck at home. I have no way to do anything anywhere but the house. So that's kind of that. But I'm gonna make myself a smoothie, and I might make a cup of coffee first thing, and then I'll make a smoothie. So. And then see what I can get into. So, see what we can do today. Okay, quote number one. Quote number one is on the wall. This blue, however, is, I have a feeling, going to be very hard to cover. But coat number one is done. And then let that dry enough where I can do something with it. So it's going to be about half hour. I got the paint roller covered in paint, so it's not going to dry out. So now to tackle the rest of this mess. Lunchtime. Got the room done. It's just drying. It's all done. You can just see the stripes, like right there. It's just drying. Tuesday, so that means Taco Tuesday. I'm getting ready to fry some hamburger meat. I've got it up here, defrosting. Got some spicy refried beans, cheese dip that we made for Super Bowl Sunday, and Diablo hot sauce mixed with the hamburger meat, and then got some bold and spicy baked beans. It's gonna be some good food. Probably gonna have a bit of a kick to it. We'll see, but good food. Alright guys, it's getting late. I'm gonna call it a night. The look on the Blazer, it's not running yet, so not working again tomorrow, I guess. That's something I don't know if I want to go through, but you seem like it hurt. Monster's dog, and she's right now getting braces put on. So interesting experience.